Hey, it's Gina with WTI. When it was time to replace the vent fan in our RV, I knew that I needed something that was going to be a manual lift and buttons that were easy to reach and that had a screen that removed so that I could actually clean out the dust and bugs that collect there. This one we got from Pafessa ticked all of those boxes, and I'm so pleased with how it runs. If you're like me and have to use a bathroom in an RV, then you want something that makes a little bit of noise while you do your business. You can see how loud it is on speed 4, and to me this is perfect. The hardest part about installation was just taking the old fan out. Once that's completed, it's a very simple installation. We used a seal around the flange part of the fan as recommended by the manufacturer. Tools that we needed for installation included an electric drill with Phillips head attachment and a large set of insulated wire connectors because our wires where we connected were quite large. You'll also need some kind of cutting instrument in order to make the inset inside the RV fit. We installed this in our bathroom on a sloped roof, so we did have to take at least 2 inches off of this, but you'll want to follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to measure so that you get the right fit. To remove the screen, you're simply going to twist the tabs that hold it in place. The first time I did this, they were a bit on the stiff side, but after the first time, I was able to turn them and remove the screen easily and replace it. I'm so pleased by how well this fan functions and how it's just updated the look in our bathroom so nicely, and that's my point of view.